Hey, good morning, everybody. Just wanted to do a screen share this morning, and what the purpose of the screen share is to basically show you, if you didn't know, how to add extra items onto your online display up and above the regular items that is on your display. So basically, you can sell things that, let's say, we secondary price, we reduced. That's actually not on your display, but it's in your warehouse. So when the customer will go online, they could go see not only the stuff that's actually on your display, but they could see items that you picked that's in your warehouse, and you could bring it with you. If they buy it, you could bring it with you on the day of delivery. So this is a pretty cool opportunity. So here we go. We're going to go to Event Manager, and then I've already created a route and a lineup for this particular exercise. So I'm just going to go into Event and create my event like normal. So to create an event, I'm going to go to New, and I need to add my route. And my route will be adding clearance to your lineup. And those are all the schools that I'm going to go to that day, dropping. And then I'm going to add my lineup. And my lineup has 30 items. So those are all the items that I'm actually putting out on the display. Then I am going to open up the event so people could go online and do their ordering. So I'm going to start it today. And let's just say I'm going to end it. I'm going to make my deliveries on the 21st. And then I'm going to set my time. I'm going to close that event at 3 o'clock Eastern or 1 o'clock Mountain Time. And then I'm going to save. So bam, there's my event. It's already created. It should be opening here very soon, and it has the 30 items that's actually going to be on my display. So then once I do that, then I need to print out my drop sheets. And you have to print out your drop sheets before you add any extra items to your display, to your online display, because the drop sheet allows 30 items. So you cannot go above 30 before printing your drop sheet, or your drop sheet won't print out. So anyway, so I'm just going to fix this. This is delivery date 22nd. Actually, I'm delivering it to 21st. And then on the custom text, I may want to write something like, check out our online clearance. Clearance. Oh, don't spell like that. Clearance. What the heck? Not spelling right. Sale. Don't miss out on our great bargains. So I may want to put something like that, and I'm totally botching the spelling on this stuff. Okay, so and don't do that. All right, so cool. So there we go. And then let's just print out, let's just say I'm just going to print out an individual order form for this one. Okay, so then I do my printing. And then there's my order form. So this order form here has all 30 items that I'm actually putting out on display. And then I just print this out, and then I'll have my order forms. Then after that process, what I want to do is I want to go back to lineups. And if I go back to my lineups and I want to edit adding clearance to your lineup, and it has 30 items on there already. Those 30 items are on my drop sheet. But I want to add stuff for my online so I could add my clearance stuff. So I have to click edit, and this is the edit button over here. So if I click edit, these are all the items that are currently on my lineup. Now if I scroll below here, anything that's highlighted in red has secondary pricing, which you and I have worked out for price reductions. So if I will hit the secondary header a couple of times, all that will sort to the top. So then all I have to do is that I could add as many online clearance items as I want. So if I just went through hypothetically and clicked on the plus button for each of these, and as these get added to our lineup, these will gray out. And so you get the point here. I've added so far 6, 7, 8, let's go 10, 9, and you could pull this up to 50. You could do whatever you want with this. So that's about 10 or 9 or 10 right there. So then once those are added, those are moving up to my actual lineup, and I click save. Bam. So now when I go back to my lineups, now adding clearance to your lineup where it had 30 items, which those 30 again were on your display or on your display, there's an extra 11 items that are just available through the online site. So you don't have to have them there on display, but if somebody goes to your online site, they could see all your clearance items as well. So that is that. And then those are automatically there. Now, if we go to, I want to go to order.collectivegoods.com, and I want to change my location. And let's just say 44507. And then this is the one account that I just did that for. Now I want to show you the customer facing program as far as what they see on their side when they open up your website. So anyways, this is what they see. And then bam, here's everything. So it's not just the 30 items that's on the display. There's also the 11 clearance items. So like I Love You Sister, I Love You Sister calendar, that's not actually on the display, but he's offering it, or we could offer it online for $5. Now also, while we're on here, this is some really good improvements that IT has made to the site. Is let's just say this nail care set, if now I could click on the nail care set, like if I'm a customer and I'm buying this, I could click this on, and then I also have not only this picture, but I have a whole bevy of different pictures here. So I could kind of check everything out, and then if I want to view a larger version, I could view that, and then if I want to add it to my cart, I could just click that, or if I want to subtract, and it just gives you all that. So pretty cool stuff here. This is what the customer sees now, and that's how you could increase your sales through online sales and not have to have everything on your display. So it's kind of like your little online extended store. And I would recommend that anything that we secondary price, that you put on your site. So awesome. Hope that helped some of you. I know some of you already knew that stuff, but some of you don't. So that's it, and have a great day. Bye-bye.